Badminton. The origins of the game of badminton date back at least 2,000 years to the game of battledore and shuttlecock played in ancient Greece, China, and India. A very long history for one of the Olympics' newest sports. Badminton took its name from Badminton House in Gloucestershire, the ancestral home of the Duke of Beaufort, where the sport was played in the last century. Gloucestershire is now the base for the International Badminton Federation. The IBF was formed in 1934 with 9 members: Canada, Denmark, France, Netherlands, England, New Zealand, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. The United States joined 4 years later. Membership increased steadily over the next few years with a surge in new members after the Olympic Games debut at Barcelona. The first big IBF tournament was the Thomas Cup Men's World Team Championships in 1948. Since then, the number of world events has increased to 7, with the addition of the Uber Cup Ladies Team, World Championships, Sudirman Cup Mixed Team, World Juniors, World Grand Prix Finals, and the World Cup. The World Cup Invitational event started in 1981 and is organized by the International Management Group or IMG. The World Cup Series is due to end in 1997, and the IBF is considering organizing exhibition matches featuring the world's top players to replace the World Cup. For the recent Thomas and Uber Cups in Hong Kong, the sale of commercial and television rights was a multi-million-dollar contract, and it's not just in Asia. In Europe also, there's a growing number of companies bidding for rights. Television companies worldwide are already buying exclusive rights to the 1997 World Championships to be held in Glasgow, Scotland. The next phase in the rise of international badminton has been to retake the USA. The US was an early member of the IBF and initially one of the most successful. When the Uber Cup was introduced in 1956, Americans won the first 3 events, but then interest waned. Badminton is a well-liked and familiar sport in the USA but predominantly is usually played as a fun game in the backyard or on the beach. We know that once Americans see the other badminton, the international badminton, the world's fastest racket sport, they will want to see and play more. The Atlanta Olympics started to raise the sport's profile in the US. The event was a sellout and became one of the must-see sports. Ex-President Jimmy Carter, Chelsea Clinton, Paul Newman, and Princess Anne were among the celebrities who came to watch. David Broder of the Washington Post reported seeing one of the supreme athletic spectacles of my life. The year 1996 was a landmark in USA badminton. It's not only the Atlanta Olympic Games that started to generate tremendous interest in the US market. In December 1995, the IBF introduced a new concept tournament in California, the Hong Ta-Shan Cup, a men's invitation tournament with the best players and big prize money. There are now plans to add a women's event and to increase the prize money. The Hong Ta-Shan Group has gone on to sponsor the US Open, increasing the prize money to $200,000. This makes the event the most valuable World Grand Prix event in the series and gives it 6 stars status. The degree of change is increasing. Badminton's debut as an Olympic Games sport has manifestly boosted interest internationally. The Star TV agreement has increased the sport's coverage dramatically. Sponsors and television companies are being attracted to a sport which gives them access to the Asian economies. And spectators are increasingly attracted to the exciting mix of angles, tactics, touch, reaction, and fitness that would host a squash champion.